You know what's frustrating? Spending 10 minutes writing the perfect sentence, only to read it back and think, yeah, that still doesn't sound right. I've been there more times than I'd like to admit. So today, I'm testing a tool that's designed to make your writing sound more natural, more fluent, and way more confident with just a few clicks. Let's check out Wordtune. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you write emails, essays, reports, social media posts, or honestly anything in English, you've probably wished for a second opinion before hitting send. That's exactly what Wordtune aims to be. Instead of just fixing grammar, it actually helps you rewrite your sentences, improve clarity, and express your ideas more naturally. So in this video, I'll show you what it can do, who it's for, and whether it's worth trying. Right away, the homepage makes it clear what Wordtune is all about. Their main message is helping you go beyond the boundaries of your English, which immediately tells you this isn't just another spell checker. The interface is clean, simple, and not overwhelming. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just writes every day, it feels approachable from the very beginning. One thing I also like is that the examples shown on the homepage aren't overly complicated. They focus on everyday writing situations, making it easy to imagine how you'd actually use the tool. This is probably the feature most people will use. Imagine you've written a sentence that technically makes sense, but it just doesn't sound smooth. Instead of deleting everything and rewriting from scratch, Wordtune can generate alternative versions for you. Maybe you want it to sound more professional, maybe more casual, or maybe just clearer. Having multiple suggestions instantly makes editing much faster because you're choosing better options instead of staring at a blank screen wondering what to write next. It feels less like autocorrect and more like having someone help you polish your words. Another thing that stood out is that Wordtune isn't only focused on correcting mistakes. It also includes AI-powered writing assistants like rewriting sentences, AI-generated writing suggestions, summarizing content, improving vocabulary, increasing clarity, making your writing sound more fluent. The homepage even highlights textual suggestions, meaning the recommendations are based on what you're trying to say rather than simply replacing individual words. That makes the edits feel much more natural. If you've ever translated your thoughts directly into English and felt like something sounded off, this kind of assistance can really help. What I like is that Wordtune doesn't seem limited to one type of writing. Whether you're working on emails, documents, assignments, or even social media captions, the goal is the same. Help you communicate your ideas more clearly. The homepage also mentions writing more naturally and expanding your vocabulary. So it's not only correcting mistakes, it's helping you become a stronger writer over time. Now let's talk about pricing. Wordtune offers three different plans. The basic plan is completely free. It includes 10 rewrites and AI suggestions per day, AI generation, 3 AI summaries each month, unlimited spelling corrections, unlimited grammar check if you need more usage. There's the advanced plan at $6.99 per month when billed annually. That increases your daily rewrite limit to 30 AI suggestions. Gives you 15 AI summaries every month, plus unlimited AI recommendations alongside grammar and spelling support. Then there's the unlimited plan, which is their recommended option. It's $9.99 per month when billed annually and removes those limits entirely. You also get unlimited rewrites, AI summaries, vocabulary enhanced, clarity improvement, fluency improvement, and premium support. Both paid plans also include a 3-day free trial, so you can explore the extra features before deciding if they're a good fit for your work. Overall, I think Wordtune is less about fixing mistakes and more about helping you express your ideas with confidence. If writing in English is part of your daily routine, having a tool that can rewrite, refine, and improve your wording in seconds can make the entire process feel much smoother. If you'd like to check it out yourself, I'll leave the link down below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let me know in the comments what tool you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.